glad to see when you prosper. Turn a new day, start a new chapter. That you never wish where you want to leave the dirt to no pasture. Think twice and your body can't stop ya. Hey, thank you, Jah, for being my strength. Never turn aside, no way. Thank you, Jah, for life and health. Gotta say my prayers every day. I'm not stupid, I'm not a fool. Know what I'm doing, I'm in a school. Get the first grip and what you do. Black eye sound say, girl, I'm gonna take you there.
At home, elevate the foot, because if not, the potential of him losing the foot, possibly an amputation, is very high. So I recommend that he does not travel, not any long distances, and worse, by aircraft. So I would recommend that he does not show up for his
Grenada show.
For the Grenada show.
Yeah.
Thank you for understanding.
Blessings. Thank you very much. And people, it's no joke. I got a sprain and a cut, and I took it for joke. And you know, I went to England and I went to Israel, and I made it worse. So in order for my foot to get better, I have to rest.
And so he can come out another day.
Yes.
And play.
Big apology to all my fans and well wishers, to all the promoters. This is circumstances beyond my control. I don't want to lose the foot, I'd rather keep it. So thank you, Doc.
Yeah.
And thank you for understanding. Blessings.
Palala Shadia. You know, this is Sizzla Kalonji, and I'm reaching out to all my Hebrew Israelite family. Hebrew Israelite Masha Paka. Glory and honor to the Holy One of Israel, you know, the great I am that I am, Hayaha, Ashar, Hayaha, Bahasham, Yahashaha, Wa, Kadash, Rawak. Condolence to the family of the Hebrew Israelite brother, you know what I'm saying, the family of the Bishop Dwayne, the Hebrew Israelite world, I lost a great soldier for truth and of the most thing. This is Sizzla Kalonji sending my condolence to the family, okay? Oh yes, you got to be strong and be all the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your fear, and don't you wait too long. Yes, you got to be strong and be all the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your fear. Bless, Barak, Kal, Bar, Yat, Masha Paka, Palala Shadia, Ahab. Praise the Most High.
Zaga, me no business where I go on, but the party still a go on. Bounty killer beenie man, hey. Tell them say me don't know, say none of them no like it. See them all hype up, but that still no spike it. Batman a cut and go choke